Laundry. It has been of huge significance in human history ever since people stopped wearing animal skin and started to wear clothes made out of fabrics. Back in the day, clean water was the only constituent used by the people in washing clothes out, applying methods such as sinking, soaking, washing, pounding, and rinsing. But over time, people began to notice that there are certain substances that could help them in washing clothes, in removing the dust. And this invention of such substances represented a giant step forward, and it is only safe to say that without it, we would have experienced such numbers of casualties due to the diseases. In the late 1700s, Industrial Revolution came and revved things up a whole lot further, including laundry itself. This transition gradually led to the mechanized solutions to laundry work, notably the invention of tumble machines, or also known as washing machines. The appliance was the greatest advance in the history of washing clothes, as it both accelerates the process of washing clothes and at the same time minimizes the effort needed in performing such actions. It was so revolutionary that these machines were already used in cleaning facilities, hospitals, and later on, households themselves. As time continues to pass, its evolution also continued to progress. In the present modern time, it is now known as the automatic washing machine, with digitalized functions, wider options, and a better cleaning. But how much did it differ compared to the olden days? How do you operate it now? And how do such operations clean our clothes? You're about to find out. I will now be giving the stage to my very lovely and my very beautiful partner, Rian Ray Iduyan, for the demonstration of the processes of the automatic washing machine and to debunk such questions.
Today I'll be showing you how to operate an automatic washing machine. The first step is to sort and load your laundry items. You can sort your laundry items according to color, weight and size, or just depending on the user's preference. In my case, I am sorting it according to color. As you can see, these are the whites and these are the blacks. So it is important for this process to be done meticulously because some clothes may subject to damages like discoloration and shrinking. First, I am going to load the blacks. This is a 6.5 automatic washing machine, so you can load at most 15 pieces of clothes. Now that we have loaded the items, it is time for the second step. In this next process, the detergent is added to the specific dispenser as well as the fabric softener and the bleach depending on what the garment needs. So this is the dispenser for the detergent soap, this one is for the fabric softener, and this one is for the bleach. We are going to add 1 cup of detergent. Next is the fabric softener. And lastly, the bleach. So the third step is to turn on the appliance and to choose the wash cycle. It is necessary to switch on the appliance as the clothes cannot wash itself. In this process, the user selects a program depending on the desired wash cycle. And once the machine is programmed, it runs through its central programs, setting the cycle and load for the washer when start button is pressed. Make sure that the machine is plugged in and the water is running. Now, we are going to press the power button. We are going to choose which among these 8 programs we are going to use in this cycle. It can be manipulated by pressing this program button, and we are going to choose Quick Wash. Since it is labeled 6, we are going to press the program button 6 times. And now, we're going to begin the cycle. Now we are down to our 4th step. This is the part where the washing cycle formally begins. Once the start button is pressed, the machine reads the user's desired option inputted in the system and performs it. The machine will spin without water to measure the weight of the laundry. Water dispenses in a predetermined level into the drum where the clothes are loaded, and the sensor that has been computer programmed will indicate at which level the water will stop dispensing. The electric motor in this part of the procedure now comes into play, employing the rubber belt within the machine to execute the rotating motion. If the button, however, is not pressed within a certain time, the appliance will forcibly shut off, and all of the information on the settings inputted by the user will be lost. Once done, the timer will give a signal for it to stop. Spinning process will then follow, which completes the cycle by loosening the dirt from the clothes with laundry chemicals in the water, rinsing it out, and squeezing the residuals. Now that we have heard the melodious chime, it only means that we are down to our 5th and last step. It is the end of the cycle. Now we're going to remove the clothes since the cycle is done. It is necessary to remove the clothes right away from the appliance to prevent crinkling from setting in. This will obviate the user from ironing the clothes, thus also saving time and effort. And since we are using an automatic washing machine with dryer, the clothes are almost dry. We just need to hang them, and that's it. We are done.